It's wonderful to gather together for the celebration of STEM, uplifting our community, because STEM, at its core, is a collaborative endeavor, and one of the reasons organizations like STEMteachersNYC are so important. Many of us, especially our elementary educators, know what it feels like to be the only science or STEM teacher in our building. It can sometimes feel isolating, but when we come together at workshops, working groups, and events like this one, something powerful happens. We reconnect with colleagues who understand the challenges and the joys of this work. We share strategies, ideas, and questions. We learn from one another, and just as importantly, we leave feeling energized and supported. The sense of collaboration and connection is what we strive to cultivate in our classrooms every day. When students engage in STEM learning, they rarely do it alone. They work together to ask questions, solve problems, test ideas, and revise their thinking. They practice critical thinking and creativity. They develop perseverance when things don't work the first time, which, as we all know, is often the case. And just as importantly, they build social and emotional skills, listening to one another, communicating ideas, negotiating solutions, and celebrating success together. In the best STEM classrooms, students aren't just learning content. They're learning how to work together, how to think deeply, and how to find joy in the process of discovery. And that joy matters. When students feel curious, capable, and connected to one another, they begin to see themselves as scientists, engineers, and problem solvers. They begin to believe that their ideas matter, and that they can contribute to solving the complex challenges that our world faces. That's why gatherings like this celebration are so meaningful. They remind us that we're not doing this work alone. In fact, we're part of a vibrant community of educators who are committed to creating classrooms where students collaborate, think critically, and experience the wonder of STEM learning.